Roger Harriott, Jamaica's blueprint for American football excellence. They say championships are won on Friday nights. But dynasties? Those are built over years. And in 2025, the entire American high school football world had to stop and look at one man. Roger Harriott, born in Mandeville, Jamaica. Raised on discipline, structure, and faith. Now named National High School Football Coach of the Year, the highest individual honor in U.S. high school football. This wasn't hype, this was history. Under Harriott's leadership, St. Thomas Aquinas didn't just win, they dominated. A high school football America national championship. A 7th straight Florida state title, the longest championship streak in state history. Ranked number 1 in the entire United States. Unmatched, unquestioned, but this moment wasn't built in one season. Since taking over Aquinas in 2015, Harriott has guided the program to 9 state championships, more than half of the school's total titles. Before that, he rebuilt NSU University School, leading them to a state championship in 2012. Different schools, same result. Winning cultures. And when the National High School Coaches Association announced its 2025 Coach of the Year, only 16 coaches nationwide have ever received the honor since 2010, only 2 from St. Thomas Aquinas. Roger Harriott is now one of them. But his story doesn't start in Florida, it starts in Jamaica. Flower Hill Primary School. Priory High School. A Jamaican upbringing that shaped a coaching philosophy rooted in discipline, preparation, and accountability. Sport runs in his blood. 2 of his daughters have represented Jamaica as reggae girls, including one who joined the national setup at just 17 years old. And his impact doesn't stop in the United States. Through the National Tackle Football Association, co-founded with his brother Jerome, Harriott is helping build American football back home, expanding tackle and flag football across Jamaican schools, with government support and a long-term national vision. This isn't just about trophies, it's about pathways. It's about opportunity. It's about showing what Jamaican leadership looks like on the biggest stages. As St. Thomas Aquinas prepares to defend both national and state titles in 2026, one thing is clear, Roger Harriott isn't just coaching football. He's building legacies on both sides of the ocean. If this made you proud to be Jamaican, like, share, and subscribe.